One of the most hands-on programs at MATC is the Automotive program. Located at the base floor of the T building, the 20-foot tall windows and shiny race car is hard to miss.
Our program is the one-year program. It's a technical diploma here at MATC. And you can come in with no automotive knowledge at all. We'll take you from no knowledge at all to being completely employable in an entry-level position at any automotive business.
Learning is so much ground to cover, to touch and base on. It's literally the best thing you can even think of. You're learning so much stuff in such a short little time.
It's actually a really unique experience because we have the hands-on, we have different sections of our program that actually throw you into what you would be doing starting and then working all the way up to a master tech pretty much.
The job that this program is designed to provide entry level is like on the express rack or light repair. So they'll be able to do a lot of basic maintenance on the cars for an employer. The employers will then take them from that level of basic entry level with their training up to being master certified.
MATC has many clubs, but the Autos program has their own take on the after-school program experience.
Yeah, the Hot Rod Crew is a unique thing to our school, our college. One afternoon a week, it's not required of the students, but one afternoon a week the students can stay and hang out in the shop and do things outside the curriculum but related, right? So we try to gear it towards things that are a little bit more fun and engaging.
Yeah, every Thursday we come in and we're allowed to bring our own cars, get some extra credit or even catch up on late work. It's a good experience, and a bunch of employers come here and then we usually talk to them, and actually that's how I got a job. So
they have had classes in the past where they would go do field trips, like with the race car, as you've seen, take it out, have little kids, let's just take the tires off and then put them back on, like rotate them and everything.
I think the engaging is the best part, so they can work on their own car with our permission. We can't do engine overhauls, but quick things, checking things out, check engine lights, minor diagnosis like that, tires, brakes, to a certain amount.
I think it's all pretty cool. You got trucks, you got cars. You can't really judge what is the best. There's just so much to take in and so much to learn. We come in here every day, 8 a.m. and we're just hauling butt. 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. non-stop, so that's fun.
They can actually see their habits and their skills, and they're more about their thought processes when they're working on a car. The other afternoon, one of my students was looking at check engine light, and one of the employers that was here was so impressed at the way the student was attacking the problem. He hired him on the spot.
It actually helps. It motivates me. It give me the energy that I need, and then take the time to put into it and try my hardest, my best to actually get it done right the first time.
Students don't have a lot of confidence to go into a big, scary business and apply for a job and talk to somebody they've never met before and try to talk themselves up. This brings it down to a real casual level, and they find out these guys are really cool, and they're not big, scary bosses, And we've got a lot of students that have been hired out of the Hot Rod program and are still working because it was a good way to filter for the two together. In other words, the student can evaluate the person, the boss a little bit, and then the boss can evaluate the student, how they interact with other people in this environment.